Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Fuse or equip a persona with high magic and a resist profile that blocks Elizabeth's main elements. Once done, immediately cast a buff, magic up or attack up, so your opening turn converts to damage. Use a quick debuff on her first phase, lowering agility or magic. That creates breathing room. Make sure to position your heavy hitter for the second turn and conserve SB with items to guarantee a strong, uninterrupted opener. Once the fight settles, prioritize maintaining your offensive tempo, refresh buffs before they expire, and keep one debuff active that reduces her damage output. Switch personas if you need an absorb or null for an incoming elemental. Do that between turns to avoid wasted actions. Use targeted silence or skill seal when she charges dangerous moves. This interrupts her ramp. Make sure to manage SB actively. Use small ethers mid-fight so you never miss a crucial skill at a pivotal moment. As she approaches low health, set up a stagger window by stacking high-damage multi-hit spells and physical combos. This secures the kill quickly. If a party member falls, revive them immediately with the fastest action to restore full combo potential. If the strategy stalls, re-evaluate resistances, swap in a persona that nulls or absorbs the problematic element, and replay the opener to regain momentum. Troubleshooting tip: if her pattern breaks your plan, reset buffs and force the stagger with one coordinated burst.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.